Nothing can make or break your camping meals, keep you sane through a rainy night of playing cards under a tent, or help keep you comfortable after a long day on the trail like a camping table. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to present you with a list of the top 5 best camping tables available on the market. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, be sure to check out the video description. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Tire Table Vehicle. While we didn't quite know how to categorize this table, it was easily one of our favorites, if only for the novelty of it. A car camper's dream, this table fits over truck tires and the spare tire on the back of a Jeep for a little extra space when the tailgate fills up. The screw-down clamps make it easy to adjust and maneuver for different tire sizes, while the adjustable stabilizing leg gives you added security and stability. Available in both a steel and an aluminum option. Both options are durable with a few key differences: the weight and price. The steel version is $131, weighs 13 pounds, and supports up to 70 pounds, while the aluminum version weighs only 5.5 pounds, sports a $170 price tag, and holds up to 50 pounds. Ultimately, this table was a little too niche for us to grant it a full winner's spot, but we never want to take this out of the Jeep just in case an adventure arises. Number 4. Camp Chef Sherpa Camp Table. The Camp Chef Sherpa table comes with one table that utilizes a zippered storage pouch underneath the tabletop to hold the 4 included storage cubes and telescoping legs for a maximum height of 28 inches. Certainly not our tallest table option by any means, and this being one of the reviewer's biggest gripes, there were other advantages to the lack of height. The Camp Chef Sherpa table was easy to throw on a tailgate or a campsite's picnic table to provide both a little extra height and a lot of extra storage. The camp table was also great for cooking at a Crazy Creek chair height or from a picnic table. However, the magic lies within both the storage cubes and the zippered bin below the tabletop. Each primary colored storage cube is crafted from 600 denier fabric, which does well with the wear and tear that comes from tossing these cubes on the ground, in the sand, and over rocks and splintered wooden tables. The blue cube is even rubber-lined, designed to be used as a wash bin or even a cooler. A plastic label shield on the foot of each cube lets you mark precisely what belongs in which cube, so you should never have to go digging for the spatula ever again. Each cube is 12 inches by 11 inches by 6.5 inches, for a total of 3.7 gallons of storage space. All 4 cubes stack within the zippered compartment for easy transport or storage post-meal. Overall, professional testers, as well as everyday Amazon users, remarked on the organizational genius and stability of this table, even with unevenly distributed weight on the tabletop. While the height was a definite bummer, the Camp Chef Sherpa table was hands down everyone's favorite when it came to camp kitchen storage. Number 3. GCI Outdoor Slim-Fold. The GCI Outdoor Slim-Fold Cookstation gives you plenty of GCI thought of just about everything when it comes to this kitchen cookstation table. It sports 3 levels of storage racks or tabletops, has a cookstove, grill-compatible aluminum tabletop at the top, utilizes cup holders and hooks built into the side tables for extra pizzazz, sits just under the $100 mark, and folds down to the size of a collapsed beach chair, all in one foldable piece. The GCI Outdoor Slim-Fold camping station's side tables alone are a camp kitchen master's dream. The cup holders can house marinade and ketchup bottles, while the hooks serve a myriad of purposes. Did you bring your camping couture-stemmed wine glass with you? Rest the stem in the hook to hold your glass in place. Need a place to keep the paper towels from blowing away? Put a string through the roll and attach each end to the hooks. Need a place to hang your tongs or a tableside garbage bag? Each side table sports these inward curving hooks so you can have every option at your stove side. However, with forethought and good planning, the GCI Outdoor Slim-Fold table will rock your camping world. Number 2. Coleman Outdoor Folding Table. Another good runner-up to our best roll-top table. The Coleman Outdoor Folding Table is a smaller, lighter, and cheaper table but just as effective. Ultimately, it didn't make it to our list of best camping tables because of the smaller table space, but for a space-saving option with a strong steel frame, grill or stove-proof aluminum top, and easy setup table, you can rest assured that the Coleman Compact Table earned our stamp of approval. The snap-held design keeps the table secure while the non-slip legs steady the contents on the tabletop. Number 1. Lifetime Height Adjustable Folding Table. You've seen it at every camp craft corner, every picnic, every school fundraiser, every sports game. Any event you could think of utilizes this table. But what makes the Lifetime Adjustable Folding Camping Table stand out from every other camp table you've carried and set up at every family reunion? 3 characteristics: the adjustable legs, the carrying handle, and the middle fold design. Why else did we love this table? Because of its affordability. The Lifetime Adjustable Folding Camping Table is certainly not our lightest table pick, nor is it our most decked out. However, its price for its capacity swept the board for any of our other options. 8 square feet of tabletop gives you plenty of surface area for the whole family to gather around and eat, ample space to cook and serve, or tons of real estate for games. 4 adjustable height settings make it easy to fit this table to whatever chair height you may need. Plus, it holds one of our top weight capacity titles at 200 pounds, bringing on the potato salad competition. The powder-coated stainless steel legs and frame, plus the high-density polyethylene plastic hardtop, give this folding camping table a sturdy, durable, waterproof edge. It can not only handle heat and cold but will withstand rain, snow, hail, sand, rocks, mud, and enthusiastic canines with ease, thanks to impact-resistant corners and a wide leg stance which helps with balance. For a solid, sturdy folding camping table that won't break your budget and will last you through several camping seasons to come, the Lifetime Adjustable Folding Table is a great pick. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.